Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 550 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle, and then if you're interested in learning anything else or setting up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we've got a silver exterior, we got a black interior. We have heated and ventilated memory seats. Driver's seat here. Sunroof. Steering wheel. And hopping inside, mileage is at 30,542. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Now below your display, we've got a CD player. Get some quick access buttons to quickly switch between some of the different functions. You've got your heated and ventilated seat controls there. And we've got our main climate controls here as well. Below that, we have a ashtray, cigarette lighter, and power adapter. You've got cup holders here, which are cooling or heated cup holders. And here we have a touchpad here for making adjustments on your display, as well as the dial. We've also got your dynamic select switch, which will switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And last but not least, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Push in for park, up for reverse, down for drive. Okay. So that is the GLS 550 from the driver's seat. Show you the rear seats here next. We do have rear climate control, and to look at that sunroof, both front and rear. Climate control here. Another quick peek back up at the front of the vehicle. And the GLS 550 does have third row seats, so you can easily access those with push of a button, and that'll fold up those second row seats. And you can see we've got our third row here. We've got a bunch of all-weather mats all ready to go here, so I want to actually flip those seats up so you can see them here, but wanted to at least show that to you there. And then to fold this back, easy, just like that. Okay, so come around to the back. We've got our GLS 550 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging and a power opening and closing trunk. See lots of storage space, and of course you can always fold down those second row seats if you need a little extra room. So once again, this is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 550 4MATIC. 3 rows of capacity. This comes in a silver and a black. Silver exterior, black interior. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.